My friends, snap out of it! I see a threat on the horizon, and it may be coming to a bathroom near you. Mold. Mold is a foul, fuzzy fungi seeking to make your life miserable and invite you to a party you don't want to attend. It shows up on your grout, on your walls, and even on your shower curtain, and can be particularly problematic for those with asthma when it invades your lungs, triggering your allergies, respiratory issues, and will leave you wheezing, weakened, and wearied. What tool are you gonna pull out of your pocket to stop this? Well, I got 18 of them right here for you, my friends. 18 ways that you can prevent mold from growing in your bathroom. Preventing mold really is moisture management. Where you find stagnant and standing water, there you will find mold. So the goal and the way to prevent mold from forming in the bathroom is to keep that bathroom dry as a desert. The number one thing you can do in your bathroom is to increase the ventilation. Proper ventilation is very important here, and the best thing you can do for your bathroom is to have a fan installed that will decrease the humidity and the excess moisture in the air. And you want to use that fan while you're taking a shower, and you want to leave it run for at least 30 minutes after you finish taking a shower. Number two, if you don't have a fan in your bathroom and you don't feel like installing one, I would highly recommend you consider investing in a dehumidifier. It does the same thing as the fan. It will extract the humidity and the moisture from the air, making your bathroom less conductive for mold growth. Number three is to fix leaks as soon as you recognize them. Pipes, faucets, fixtures that leak water is going to create excess moisture within the environment, which of course will create that favorable condition for the mold to grow. And most of the times these leaks are not your fault. They're not going to cost an arm and a leg to fix. It's just that the seals around them get worn out over time, which causes leaks. It's not a big deal. It happens to everybody. So as soon as you find the leaks, just make sure you get those fixed. Number four is to dry your wet surfaces. After you take a shower or a bath or whatever, just dry down all the wet surfaces. Dry the inside of the tub. Dry down your shower doors, your shower walls. Dry out your sink after you use it. Best way to do that is just to have a microfiber cloth. The microfiber cloths do a lot better than regular cloths. These absorb way more water. So just have you a few of these, buy a bag of these from Walmart, Home Depot, or whatever. And after you take a shower, you can wipe and dry the water up, or just use a squeegee here. So you've got shower doors, glass shower doors, squeegee the water off. You can also use these, if you have a tiled shower, you can take the squeegee to the tile on the walls and you can squeegee the water off that way. Whatever you decide to do, microfiber cloth or squeegee, just make sure that you dry up all of your wet surfaces. Number five is to use mold-resistant materials. Basically, when you're remodeling your house or your bathroom or you're building your home, you can use sheetrock, caulking, paint, right, that has mildew-resistant additives built into it. It's a beautiful thing. Reminds me of a cleaning product. You add all the things and the cleaning additives to the cleaning product to help it do its job better. Well, this is the same thing. It's got sheetrock, paint, caulking, right, that has the mildew-resistant additives built in, and it will inhibit mold growth. Number six is to seal your grout or replace grout that is cracking or broken. So fixing your cracked grout, sealing your current grout lines with a good quality grout sealer is going to create a protective barrier so that water don't seep down deep inside. Number seven is kind of a preventative measure, and that's don't install carpet in your bathroom. Do I need to say more? Look, if your carpet gets wet from you stepping out of the shower with wet feet, it's going to have mold. Best thing you can do is to opt for a non-porous option. Install a tile, a vinyl, a laminate, anything other than carpet. Number eight is to wash your mats and your rugs regularly. So, a lot of people put them on the floor when they step outside of the shower. They have these wet feet. The floor is cold, right? And they don't want to get cold. I understand that, right? Just make sure you wash those rugs regularly. Do it once a week, you should be good to go. Number nine is to hang your cleaning rags, right? Your buff puffs, your body brushes, right? You scrub your back with your brush or whatever. Leave those hanging in your bathroom shower and allow those to drip dry when you finish using them. Also, it's good to invest in like a rack, right? To put in your shower, and then you can place your shampoo bottles, your body washes, your bar soaps. You can place those things in that rack, and it'll help those bottles of soap and stuff to stay dry. Number 10 is to use mold and mildew killing products when you're doing your cleaning. One of my favorites to use is Tilex Mold and Mildew Remover. These products just have additives built into them, and they will kill mold spores, and they will help prevent new growth from forming. If you don't like the chemicals, you can always experiment with some more natural alternatives. You can use vinegar, you can use hydrogen peroxide. Those also have mold killing properties. Just whatever you do, don't mix your vinegar, don't mix your hydrogen peroxide, don't mix that stuff with bleach. So whatever you do, don't mix, just use them straight. Number 11 is to avoid excess clutter. What clutter does in a bathroom is it hinders proper airflow, and it will create little hidden areas, little nooks and crannies where moisture will accumulate. So it's very important that you keep your bathroom clutter-free and organized so that you promote proper airflow. Number 12 is to open your doors and your windows during the shower and after the shower, weather permitting. That right there, it seems small, but it's also going to help just to promote that air circulation. Number 13, and this is huge. If you have a shower door, leave it open after your shower. You take this hot, steamy shower, right? Leave that door open so that moisture can get out and escape, hopefully through the bathroom window that you have open and the ceiling fan that you have going. Because if you close that shower door after you shower, it's just going to trap all that moisture inside. And that's what we want to avoid. And it's the same advice for a shower curtain. You got a shower curtain, leave that thing open afterwards. Which moves us right into number 14, and that's if you have a shower curtain or a shower liner, make sure you're washing that regularly. If you got a plastic shower liner, those two are also machine washable. Number 15 is all about the bath mat, okay? Yeah, bath mats. You need bath mats because you don't want to slip and fall. But that too, you need to wash your bath mat regularly. And I do have a video on how to wash your bath mat. I will leave that video listed and linked down below for you. Another tip with the bath mat is after you take your shower, make sure you always pull that mat up. Don't leave it on the bottom of the shower floor because it traps all kinds of water underneath. Make sure you pull that thing up. Hang it on the wall. Hang it over your curtain rod. Hang it somewhere to drip dry after your shower. Number 16 is to ensure proper drainage in your sink, your toilet, your shower, your bathtub. Make sure you don't have stagnant standing water after you finish using those devices. Can I call them devices? Number 17. Keep the light on after you shower. Mildew loves darkness. So after you shower, while you're running your fan for 30 minutes or your dehumidifier, keep that light on. And finally, closing us off, number 18, dry up the floor when you get out of the shower. You got a mop, you got some microfiber cloths, throw them down and dry that water up. So that's it, my friends. Implement these 18 moisture-conquering, mold-conquering tips into your bathroom cleaning maintenance routine and thwart the invasion of this musty menace once and for all.